Question 1. The volume of a cuboid is 320 cm square, cm cube. Its height is 16 cm and the length is 5 cm. Find the width of the cuboid. So, to find the volume, it would be length multiplied with the width and multiplied with the height. So, to find the width of the cuboid, it would be width equals to volume divided by height divided by L, which is length. So, we would take 320 cm cubed divided by 5 cm divided by 16 cm, which we will get 64 cm cubed cm square divided by 16 cm, which would be 4 cm. So for that, the answer for A is 4 cm. Question 2. Find the surface area of a cube with side length 8.5 cm. So to find the surface area, we will need to find the area of each face and add them all together. And since this is a cube, we can take 8.5 cm multiplied with 8.5 cm, which we will get 72.25 cm squared. And since a cube has 6 faces, we can just write 6 bracket 72.25 cm square, which we will get 433.5 cm square, and that will be our answer for question B. Question C. The volume of the prism is 264 cm cubed. Find X. So, since this is a triangle, the volume, fuck you. Question 3. The volume of the prism is 264 cm cubed. Find X. So to find the volume for this prism, it will be V equals to 8 cm multiplied with X divided by 2 and multiplied with 6 cm. So we can just take 264 cm cubed divided with 6 cm, which we will get 44 cm squared. And 44 cm squared multiplied with 2 would equal to 88 cm squared. And now 88 cm squared divided by 8 would be 11 cm, and that will be our answer. So X would equal to 11 cm. Question D. Find the surface area of this prism. To find the surface area of this prism, we would need to find the area of each faces and add them together. So first I'll find the area of this triangle. So I'll first take 2, because there's 2 triangles, one in the front and one at the back. So 2, 8 cm times 15 cm divided by 2 would equal to 120 cm square. And now I will be adding 8 cm plus 15 cm plus 7 cm. So 8 cm plus 15 cm plus 7 cm, which would equal to 40 cm. And 40 cm multiplied with 5 cm would equal to 200 cm square. So 200 cm square plus 120 cm square would equal to 320 cm square. So that will be our answer for question D. Question E. Find the volume of the cylinder, giving your answer to 3 significant figures. So, to find the volume of the cylinder, we will need to find the area of the circle first. So, 12 divided by 2 would equal to 6 cm because we will need to find the radius to get the area of the circle. So, pi 6 cm bracket square would equal to pi bracket 36 cm square. So now, cm square and pi 36 cm square we need to multiply with 9 cm to get because of the height. So this would equal to 1017.876 cm square cm cube, and correcting it to 3 significant figures, it would be 1020 cm cube. Question F. Find the total surface area of the cylinder, leaving your answer in terms of pi. So first we would need to find the circumference of the circle to get the we need to find the circumference of the circle to get the area of the body, this part of the cylinder. So it would be pi bracket 4.1 m multiplied with 2. The reason why we have to multiply it with 2 is because the formula for circumference of the circle is pi d, d as in the diameter. So the answer would be 8. The answer would be 8.2 m pi. And then for the area of the circle, we can just take pi bracket 4.1 m square, which is pi which is 16.81 m square pi plus 8.2 m pi. And that will be our answer for question F. Question G. The volume of a sphere is 288 pi cm cube. Find the radius of the sphere. To find the volume of a sphere, the formula of the volume of the sphere is V equals to 4 over 3 pi r cubed. So 288 pi cm cubed divided by 4 over 3 pi would equal to r cubed. And the answer we will get is 216 cm would equal cm cubed would equal to r cubed. So cube root 216 cm cubed would equal to r. So r would equal to 6 cm. Question H. Find the total surface area of the hemisphere, giving your answer to 3 significant figures. To find the surface area of the hemisphere, we're going to take 2 pi r squared plus pi r squared. We get 2 pi 7 square bracket plus pi 7 square, which we will get 2 pi bracket 49 plus pi bracket 49. And when you add all those up, it would be 461.814 cm square. And converting it to 3 significant figures, it will be 462 cm square. Now the reason why we have to take 2 pi r square added with pi r square is the formula to find the area of a circle, and 2 pi r square is the formula to find the area of a hemisphere, because the formula to find the surface area of a sphere is 4 pi r square, and a hemisphere is half of it, so we will divide it by 2, which is 2 pi r square. So that's why it's 2 pi r square plus pi r square. Question I. Find the volume of the cone, leaving your answer in terms of pi. So the formula to find the volume of a cone is 1 over 3 pi r cubed h. Sorry, pi r square h. Pi r square and h, which we will get 1 over 3 pi 4 square times 18, since 18 is the height. And it will be 1 over 3 pi 16 times 18, and our answer will be 1 over 3 pi bracket 288 cm cube, cm square, sorry, cm square. Question J. A cone has a slanted height of 10 cm and a curved surface area of 60 pi cm square. Find the volume of the cone, giving your answer to 3 significant figures. So, okay, so the formula to find the curved surface area, which is this part, is pi r l. where L represents the slanted height of the cone. So pi r L would equal to 60 pi cm squared. To find the radius, we would take r equals to 60 cm squared divided with 10 cm with both of the pi's. 60 pi cm squared and over 10 pi cm. So we would get 6 cm. Now, the formula to find the cone is 1 over 3 pi r squared h. So then this would be 1 over 3 pi 6 cm squared and multiply it with 10. So now this would be 1 over 3 pi 36 cm squared times 10 cm, which we would get 1 over 3 pi 360 cm cubed. And we would get 120 pi. So 120 pi we would get around 376.8 cm cubed. And if we run it to 3 significant figures, it will be 377 cm cubed. So that will be our answer for J. Question K. A cylinder has a height of 16 cm and a radius of x cm. A sphere has a radius of 2x cm. The volume of the cylinder and the sphere are equal. Find the value of x. The volume of the sphere, the formula for the volume of the sphere will be 4 over 3 pi, and with r, I'll just put 2x cubed, which we will get 4 over 3 pi 8x cubed. And the volume of the cylinder would be pi bracket x squared multiplied with 16 cm. So now we will do the equation. So it will be 4 over 3 pi x 8x cubed equals to pi x squared multiplied with 16 cm. And now we will move the pi to the left side, so this would be 4 over 3 pi divided by pi 8x cubed equals to x squared multiplied with 16 cm. So then we can move the 8, once the pi is out, we can move the 8 to the 4. So 8 times 4 will equal to 32. So 32 over 3 x cubed would equal to x squared multiplied with 16 cm. And we can take the 3 and multiply it with 16 cm. So 32 x cubed would equal to x squared. It would equal to 48x squared. So we can divide these. So this will be 2x would equal to 3. So x would equal to 1.5, and that will be our final answer.